This is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of this Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got one from Doll of Hong Kong. This is their artificial chicken flavor. And boy, the last time I had this, I was really impressed. That was probably like in the sub 600 range of reviews. That might have been under review 300. So I don't know if I will still like it. Let's see, do I add that in next? Okay. So we got 3 minutes, and then we put in the seasonings and stuff. So let's drop this in. It's 500 mils of water. 3 minutes. So how you doing? I hope you're doing well on this beautiful day. I was gonna go out walking today, but that did not happen. Why is that? It was a good thing. It was cold, and not only was it cold, I think I got up like around 4:15, 4:25, something like that in the morning. Probably closer to 5, it just started dumping hail. I mean, it's, what was it, April 8th, 2021. And yeah, just crazy. That would have sucked. I've been caught in storms and stuff before, but a little bit breezy, and I'm sure the wind chill was down to like 31, and then the hail. I don't know though, maybe it ended up getting warmer because it was a warm front coming in or something. But right now it looks freaking beautiful outside. I hate being indoors, but I'm in here doing this for you. And if I went out right now, the children would be all alone and burn the house down. But anyways, it's time for another quote from the book Momofuku Ando Speaks. These are quotes by the guy who invented the instant noodle. Number 248. Food is a peace industry. Wow, I just got a glimpse of the next one. Yeah. I like the next one. I'll tell you what it is. Yeah, I really like this book, and it has good stuff in it. I'll tell you what it is on the next episode. Ha ha! Ha! So, yeah, pretty much. It's the 8th. I got 5 days till my wife's birthday, and all the presents should show up by then. Should be good. Should be all good. Got her stuff that she will use and enjoy. A nice combination of both. If she really didn't like something, though, I wonder if she would actually tell me. She wouldn't want me to feel bad. But I don't want her to feel bad. If I got her something like if she told me yesterday, you know what, one of my least favorite article of clothing is a turtleneck. I think turtlenecks are stupid. Anybody who wears them are horrible people. If she said something like that, and then her birthday was the next day, and I got her a turtleneck, I don't know what her reaction to that would be. Honestly, actually, if she had just espoused her absolute spite and hate for turtleneck, I think she'd probably tell me. She'd probably get mad because I wasn't listening to her. Didn't you hear me say that I hated turtlenecks? I should ask her if she hates turtlenecks. That way I'll know never to get her a turtleneck. Hey honey, what do you think of turtlenecks? I don't think she'll have much of a reaction. I think she'll probably say like, I could take them, I could leave them. But I mean, have you ever seen a turtleneck that has just made you go, man, that's the raddest turtleneck I've ever seen. I need that turtleneck. Probably just say like, no. An oil sachet. I got this down at that rent in Wajimaya too. It used to be, most places would have single packs of the doll noodle varieties that you could get. And then I was like, oh, I should do those up again. It's been years. And then, like the place I'm always going to, they had just one, the pickled vegetable beef, which is really good. But that was it. And all the other places, that was it. The place I went to on Saturday, they had all of them. They had like 6 varieties. So I got everything but the pickled vegetable beef. What is there? There's artificial chicken. I think there's a regular beef. There's a shrimp wonton. I know I got more than 3 varieties though, but this is one of them. Always thought this is a neat brand. And I have never had any luck contacting this company. Ever. It's like, come on. They've got some varieties that I've had that I didn't like. A big popular flavor in Hong Kong is abalone, and they had some abalone stuff that I was just like, ugh. Oh, come on. I'm going to take a bite. Wow. Wow. Broth. Nice little bit of oil to it. What I love about this is it has a nice light chicken taste. It's not violently salty, but it's also got a little bit of ginger to it. And that just, sets it off. Okay. I continue to say that this is probably the best, just straight up chicken instant I've ever had. If you like chicken instant noodles, try these. Because that little nudge of ginger goes a long way. Just really, really nicens it up. The noodles are good, they plump up well. There we go. Here. There we go. All right, let's add in some fun. My boy's making the noises. I think so. And we've got some chicken I baked. This neat adobo seasoning stuff. I really like it. This is adobo with coriander and annatto, I believe. It's good. last day of these mung bean sprouts. If you use a lot of mung bean sprouts, I mean, I use a pretty decent amount, but I gotta tell you, I prefer the non-organic ones because the organic ones don't last as long. Not by a long shot. These weren't super happy yesterday, but today they are pretty much gone. But that's okay. I mean, it's not like I eat this stuff. I eat a little bit of it. Like this one, I'll have a few bites. I'll finish the chicken off. God, look at that broth too. That's got a really nice tone to it. Yeah, this is goodness. Do I want to use shichimi? I want to use some pepper flake. I'm going to use a nudge of oil. Leyu chili oil. Now I'm going to leave it alone and let it chill in all its splendor. Yeah, this is a really, really impressive one. It's really hard to get chicken wrong when it comes to instant noodles, but getting one this right doesn't come across too often. So look and learn. Well, thank you for watching. Now I will slide back into the depths where I come from. To make more, to do more, to be more for you, my viewers. If you have the ability, you should go check out our episodes of The Chocolate Break. Go to www.chocolatebreak.com and yeah, do it. And there'll be more to see and more to know tomorrow. This has been Oz the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Goodbye.